Okay. Good morning, dear students. Today we are having a DBMS lab. I hope all of you have completed all four tables from the practical one, right? Please put your status into a chat. How many of you have completed all four tables of practical one quickly? Okay, I am giving you a 10 minutes. Some of you have completed all four tables. Those who have not completed these four tables with data, complete it after 10 minutes. I will check each and every student's all four tables, right? Just complete it. Okay, fine. I hope all of you have completed all 4 tables, right? Uh, right now I am not checking. Let me explain something to you. Then after, just okay, screen is visible to you. We have created and inserted the data into table, right? Am I audible and screen is visible to you properly? Someone can respond.
Yes, sir, visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can anyone tell me what is the command to display the structure of table? Can anyone tell me what is the command to display the structure of any table? Online students. See guys, this is one query of your practical one, as well as sometimes in exam they ask this type of question, and it is only describe, not DISC, DESC, describe table name. For example, my table name is Nitesh, right? यहाँ पे हमने क्या लिया है TC2B. Let me take that thing. TC2B. It will display the structure of, everyone listen here also. Okay, so by using describe TC2B you can show the display the structure. Now select star from TC2B, right? Just 1 minute. Okay, by using this syntax you can display all the content of your table, right? This select star from TC2B. By using this syntax you can display all the content of your table. Now let me explain you. If you want to display few columns and few rows, if you want to display few column and few rows, then you can select that particular column. For example, SCC number, comma. Okay, let me give you direct demo, right? It will be easy for you. We will perform all the queries on account table. Then after, as per your syllabus query, you can perform the queries. Let me select star from account table, right? Let's see how many columns and how many rows we have. 5 columns and 5 rows we have, right? Now if we want to display only 2 columns, for example, account underscore number comma name, then you can write that column name instead of star, then run it. So you are able to see only two column, particular two column, right? So this is few column. This is few column. You can write even also only account number. Even you can write here city also. Any column name you can write here. For example, I am writing city first and then I am writing ACC underscore number. Then it will display like that. City first and then account number. Right? Okay. So this is all about few columns. Now, if you say, sir, I want to display only those records whose city is Ahmedabad. Let me first run the entire table. Let me run the first entire table. Now, for example, if you want to see how many students are from Mehsana city, then you will write select star from account. Remember this one. Where is one keyword? Where is one clause? Where is one clause? After where clause, you need to write the condition. For example, I am writing city is equals to MEHSANA, Mehsana. That you need to write in a single quotation. Let me run first. Here you can see in the city column, whatever data we have inserted, in that M is capital, right? So right now we are getting two rows. Right now we are getting two rows. But if I change this one and I am writing small m, then let's see the output. No data found because already we have saved our data in database as a capital. Here, now this is the row filtration. Few rows. Even you can change the condition. You can apply any condition. For example, loan underscore taken is equals to, let's say, yes. We will get three row, right? Soniatul Patel Ramesh Patel ji. So you can apply condition on any column or any row. So this is all about row. So remember this one, after where clause, it will give the selected rows, and instead of star, if you write few column names, then it will display selected column. Now if you want to combine both things, few column and few row, then write down here instead of account, instead of star, account number, let's say name. Then it will display only two columns and three rows. Why? Select account number and name from account where loan taken is equals to yes. So it will display only those record whose loan taken is equals to yes. उसकी अकाउंट नंबर और नेम ये दो कॉलम डिस्प्ले करवाएगा. If I change the condition, city is equals to, ओके, सिटी एग्जैक्ट मैच आपको लिखना है. फॉर एग्जांपल मैं यहाँ पे नेम इज इक्वल्स टू पटेल लिखूंगा तो नहीं आएगा. पटेल रमेश एंड पटेल जिगर एग्जैक्टली लिखना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल अहमदाबाद, मैं राइट नाउ अहमदाबाद लिख रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे देखो दो रिकॉर्ड मिल गया. ठीक है. इफ आई वांट टू ऐड कॉलम हियर, देन आई कैन ऐड हियर सिटी, राइट? So by this way you can write or filter any column or any row. Are you getting? Do you have any query, any doubt? Online students, do you have any query, any doubt? Okay, if you do not have any doubt, any query, then practical 1. In that practical 1, there is 5 query. Perform that 5 query and keep the record with all question and all answer in your Word file. वर्ड फाइल में आप मेंटेन करते रहना, ठीक है। ये प्रैक्टिकल 1 आपका खत्म हो जाएगा, ठीक है। आई विल आस्क टुडे एट द एंड ऑफ दिस लैब to share your screen and show me all the queries which you have pasted in your word file, and on Apex I will check all your 4 tables, right? So this is your today's task. Okay, fine. Now here offline students are having some doubts, so I am going to there. If you have any query, any doubt, then you can put message into a chat. Okay, I am not able to hear you, but you can put the message. Create, insert, ये व्यवस्थित आता चालू करते चालू शुरू कर सकते। Create insert table आपने कर दी, ऐसा मतलब शुरू करो। Already we have created one table. Let's say name is account. Account table we have 5 column. Let's say A, B, C, D, E, and 5 rows. 5 rows. We have inserted some data. Here, now at a time, if you want to see only few data, then it is possible. It is possible. How? Few column, few rows. For that, you know this syntax. Select star from account. It will display entire table. It will display entire table with all columns and all rows. Rahul, can you unmute your mic?
Yes, sir.
Rahul Gora.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me your question. What exactly you are trying to say?
Sir, we can display queries without using command. Then why are we still using commands?
How? Tell me.
Hello, sir.
How? Tell me. કેવી રીતે?
Can I share? Can I share
Yes.
screen?
Yes. Zoom in. Okay, fine.
Sir.
Agree? This is your answer? Fine? Rahul, done from your side? Rahul, done from your side? Or it's remaining?
Yes, sir.
Now listen my answer. Everyone listen to the question of Rahul. Sir, we can display queries without typing commands, then why are we still using commands? So in Apex only you can see this one, right? Because you are performing, you have created the account and you are performing all the queries for learning purpose on Apex. Now be practical. Use your common sense if you have. Let's say example of Google. I want to display best restaurant in Rajkot on University Road. Now, दिखाओ table entries. Rahul, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
इसका आंसर दो मुझे. मिलेगा?
क्या सर? कैन यू
Yes,
रिपीट?
I want to know the well famous restaurant names on University Road in the Rajkot. Okay, Surat का
Sir, I'm not.
Okay, so from Surat, is it possible?
Sir, I'm not getting your question.
हिंदी समझता है तू?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके, मुझे सूरत के फेमस रेस्टोरेंट का नाम चाहिए.
Yes.
कैसे देखो? तेरे डेटाबेस
वो
की
अगर
एंट्री
हमें पता
डेटाबेस की एंट्री में है तेरे पास?
अगर हमें पता है तो हम डायरेक्ट कह सकते हो.
सूरत का है ना तू? चल
नहीं,
राजकोट का बता मुझे.
वो तो नहीं पता सर. आज
तो कैसे पता चलेगा?
डेटाबेस से.
डेटाबेस तो तू बोल रहा है ना विदाउट कमांड देख सकता है. दिखा. दिखा. आप बेटा क्या करेंगे? गूगल करेंगे. लेकिन गूगल में क्या कर रहे हो? दैट इज द जीयूआई बेस्ड. गूगल में वो आप सर्च करने जाएंगे तब बैकएंड में वो क्वेरी ही रहेगी. ठीक है,
Yes,
तो
sir.
कमांड्स ही रहेंगे. और दूसरा तेरा ही अभी बता दो, अभी कौन सा टेबल तूने ओपन किया? ट्रांजैक्शन. अभी कितनी एंट्री की ट्रांजैक्शन में तूने? 5.
Yes, sir.
5 की ना. मैं तुझे 500 एंट्री करने को बोल रहा हूँ. ठीक है, तू कर देगा,
Yes.
डेफिनेटली कर देगा. 500 एंट्री में से मैं तुझे बोल रहा हूँ उसमें से मोड ऑफ पे केस कितने हैं वो मुझे बता. कैसे बताएगा?
क्या सर? कैन यू रिपीट?
लास्ट कॉलम है जो मोड ऑफ पे, उसमें से
Yes.
केस वाले कितने हैं और चेक वाले कितने हैं. इसका आंसर तू बता पाएगा 500 एंट्री में से? ये
No,
5
sir.
है. 5 है इसलिए तू बोल रहा है कि सर विदाउट कमांड वी कैन डिस्प्ले आवर डेटा. 500 में से बता. चल 1000 में से बता. That's why we are learning DBMS. I think you should revise the lectures which we have covered in a lecture theory session for the introduction of DBMS, why we require the DBMS, right? Then you should raise this type of questions. I think you missed that class, right?
Sir, I was there.
Yeah. Was there, then mentally was not there. क्योंकि उसके ऊपर एक लेक्चर पूरा दिया था, पर्पस और एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डीबीएमएस. चुन चुन के हम एप्लीकेशन सारी पूरे वर्ल्ड में से लेके आए थे और आपके पास से मैंने आंसर लिया था, स्टूडेंट के पास से. इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ टेक 100% इन्वॉल्वमेंट इन माय क्लास. अदरवाइज ये जो हुआ अभी तो मैंने प्रेम से ये आंसर दिया है. नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं ऐसा ही बोलने वाला हूँ कि रिफर प्रीवियस क्लास. क्योंकि आप अभी क्लास में कुछ रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दे रहे हो, आप अभी कुछ पढ़ रहे हो, तो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल एवरी लेक्चर इन एवरी लैब आई विल रिपीट प्रीवियस कंसेप्ट. अदरवाइज जो रेगुलर स्टूडेंट्स है उसका तो कुछ नहीं होगा. ठीक है, आई कैन रिजॉल्व योर डाउट्स बट आई कैन नॉट रिवाइज ऑल द प्रीवियस कंसेप्ट. क्लियर? आई कैन रीडायरेक्ट दैट कंसेप्ट टू यू कि ये कंसेप्ट रीड कर लो, हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो आपने जो क्वेश्चन पोस्ट किया है उसके लिए एक ही आंसर है. पर्पस ऑफ डीबीएमएस, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डीबीएमएस, डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ एफपीएस एंड एडवांटेज ऑफ डीबीएमएस. ये 4 पॉइंट्स कंसेप्ट आप रीड कर लो फ्रॉम द यूनिट नंबर 1. यू आर एबल टू solve this question. Dharam, sir, in Apex program mistake is done doing one time, so how to solve it? Keep patient, Dharam. From next practical 2, I am going to teach you everything. Just keep patient. 2 મિનિટ અત્યારે જ કરી દો. Okay, good question, Prasad. In your practical one, there is one question. Display all rows and selected columns of table installment. Which selected column to show? Good question. Here, in this type of question, table name is given, it means it is fixed. You must have to perform all the queries on that particular table. But here, column name and row condition is not mentioned. It means you can take any column and you can put any condition. It's up to you. Okay, Rohit, it's up to you. Everyone, keep this thing in your mind. It's up to you. You can put any condition, you can take any number of column, any column. But make sure in a condition you put the column name which you have taken in your particular table. वो पर्टिकुलर टेबल में जो आपने कॉलम नेम दिए वही कॉलम नेम आपको कंडीशन में लेनी है या फिर कहीं पे भी यूज सेम करना है. ठीक है, फाइन. एनी अदर क्वेरी? Okay, here, if you have done all 5 queries, then we uh, we have completed the practical one. Practical one is over here. Now, one by one, all of you will share your screen one by one, right? And from next lab, remember these words. From next lab, we are going to start the practical 2, and at the beginning of practical 2, I am going to explain the fundamentals which you have to use throughout the practical 2 and onwards. So I am not going to repeat any concept. Yes, if you have any query, any doubt, definitely I will be there. But concept आप पहले से बोलो कि सर ये syntax हमें नहीं पता है, then I will not give you answer. Right? So practical 2 next lab से start करेंगे. उसमें आपको present अर्ली होना है, लेट होंगे तो आपको नहीं पता चलेगा. एंड ऑल दोस concepts are very much important, right? Okay, now continue with your work. I am going to check each and every student's screen.